In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install mods in Need for Speed Rivals. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this definitive photorealistic reshader. Download the mod and you need to download the reshade with full add-on support. Once download done, I look on the photorealistic mod and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extractor folder. You need to select this INI file after installing the reshader. Open the reshade.exe and select OK and select the browse option and navigate to game folder. Select the game exe file that you used to launch and select open. And select next, DirectX 10, 11, 12 and select next. Select the browse option and navigate to downloads and select the photorealistic INI file and select open. Once you done this, select next. Select skip option. We have successfully installed the reshade. Launch the game. We have successfully installed the reshade. Press the home key and say continue and say continue and say finish. Select the reload option. And we have successfully installed the reshade and press the home key and you can enjoy the game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.